Thank you very much for listening. And if you have a question, you can go ahead after this presentation. First of all, what is wasta? Some of you probably never heard about wasta, or they have wasta in a different name, like in China they call it guanxi, and etc. Wasta is an inter relation between two people or probably a group of people. They use that network to get things that done, or they jump the queue. Was has been rooted originally in the family and then extended to the tribe and then to the community, to the friends and everybody around that circle. So it's social networks that will help people to get things done without sitting and waiting in the queue. So it's a shortcut for many people. Wasta scale has been developed by a group of researchers in Tel Aviv or Israel, and they tell us, or they identified three dimensions, which is Mujamala, Himola, and Sum'a. And three of these dimensions have been tested, whether on reliability or validity. However, one researcher who developed a scale always needs somebody else to test the same scale in different settings, in different countries or communities or societies, to make sure that the scale is really have that validity, because they want the scale to have strong generalizability. So that's why the author in the future research, he recommended that if somebody can check for the reliability and validity, and we are just responding to that call, and we try to collect data from 4008 individuals, and then try to check the scale reliability and validity. These individuals who have been chosen from the state of Kuwait, for the reason why we chose the state of Kuwait, because also some studies show that Kuwaiti people use WASTA a lot, and there is a lot of problems regarding WASTA there. That's why we chose our respondents there. For non-government organizations, so we chose employees who are working in a non-government organization. We sent surveys about SurveyMonkey, and respondent sent us back their opinions, and then we did the EFA and we did the CFA. Both results we use SPSS 27. We did the model fit. We used Amos, and we use Jaskin spreadsheet to make sure that the validity is okay with scale. Here on this slide, you can see that the results of the EFA and CFA, we confirmed that there is three constructs, which is the first one. The first factor is Mujamala, the second factor is Himula, and the third factor is Sum'a. So three constructs have been confirmed. Then we come to see the CFA test. The KMO and chi-square and everything around the results from the KFO are okay. We didn't have a problem with that. Then in Excel sheet, and we found that it has a strong reliability, and that's why we confirmed that this scale is reliable, and this scale is also a valid scale, and instructors or researchers can use it for their research if they want to check WASA, or they want to see the influence of WASA of anything without hesitation, because the scale is reliable and the scale is valid.